Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. In recent months, a lot of expansions have been published for the legendary Heroquest. Since I own the 1989 edition and not wanting to spend too much money on a repeat of the same adventures, I preferred a more moderate approach and started by purchasing the expansions. Now that the collection has increased, however, I had to solve a little problem related to my old game board. The grid of the 1989 edition is decidedly smaller than the new edition. This means that the new tiles are not perfectly compatible with the old game board. So I decided to give a new look to my game table, building a board that, in addition to having the right dimensions, 1-inch square grid as a measure unit, also had a retro flavor linked to the system used by Advanced Heroquest, or yes, the classic dungeon crawling with the discovery of the rooms one by one. This project is very suitable for anyone who wants to create a series of dungeon tiles in a short time. If you are one of my patrons, on Patreon you can download the template of the tiles that you will see in this video. The starting material was the back panel of an old IKEA Billy, more or less 2.5mm thick MDF. You can use the panel of a picture frame, graphics medium chipboard or simple packaging cardboard. All it depends on how much weight and resistance you want to give to your project. Now I'm gonna use a secret ingredient, guys. This is a foam sheet, or maybe it's better to call it a rubber sheet. It's foamy, it's like very flexible, quite soft, and it's black. I don't want that you think that you must use something like that. You can use also black cardboard, you can use also EVA foam if you have it, or just something that is black. You can also just paint the back of your tiles in black. It's up to you guys. I like this one because it's one of my favorite materials, and it's very, you know, it's a pleasure to touch it. It's very, very soft. With this, the tiles are not you know, going around on the table and stuff like that. It's very easy to glue on the tiles, and very, very easy to cut. Why I'm using this? Yeah, just stay until the end. You will discover it. Okay? See you in a bit.
One of the best ways to support this channel is to shop through my Amazon affiliate links. If you click on the link on the description box below, you will find a list of products I love and recommend. By clicking on the link of your country, you can make purchases directly on Amazon, allowing me to obtain from Amazon a small, very small percentage on the sale of the product. Nothing changes for you, but for me is all the support of the world. Take a look.